Good morning. Out here early in the morning, it's still a little dewy, and here to show you a little bit of what we'll be harvesting and using in our herbal class on October 1st. I'd like you to meet Chicory. Chicory, we are not going to be harvesting the flowers, although they are pretty, aren't they? Beautiful periwinkle. We're not harvesting the leaves, and we're not harvesting the stems. We are harvesting later on this summer what you can't see, which is the root. And you could make lots of things with it. I don't want to give away too much. But anyway, I won't be harvesting them from here because this is the side of a road and people walk their dogs. But you can find patches in the woods, and right down that street, which is very quiet, there's a nice path through the woods, and I've seen some flowers. So, good morning. Maybe you can identify some chicory by you and let it know that we'll be coming by to harvest some. We don't want to take all of it, but we'll take some of it. And hope to see you in October.